Hey everybody, it's Shannon.
And Paul.
It's Yummy Nummy Paul.
Yummy Nummy.
So we're here today with the Yummy Nummies Mini Kitchen Magic, and check it out.
Ooh, brand new set.
It's the S'more Maker playset, and look at that awesome campfire playset, and we get to make these delicious, yummy s'mores.
Ooh, cool.
Let's open it up and see what is inside.
Okay, so here we have our awesome little campfire s'more maker.
That's pretty.
That is pretty. We have packets of, let's see, this is marshmallow or guimave.
Guimave.
Graham cracker, chocolate, and graham cracker. We have some utensils and some mixing bowls, and we have a piece of paper that nobody needs.
No, those are the instructions. We definitely need those.
We do. So it looks like we got to cut out some of these, and then we're going to start mixing up. Okay, so I have cut out this, which we're going to use to bake. We have to make our graham crackers first. So let me set that down. Here's our graham cracker mix. Get it so we can open it. I have graham cracker powder all over the table. Oh, that smells yummy.
Let me
Smell that.
Oh, that does smell good.
Okay, so we need to get 8 scoops of this round one out. And the directions said make sure your scoops are level.
Okay, so that was 1, 2,
2,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8.
8.
Okay, and then it says we turn our spoon around and we use 1.5 of these square spoons of water. So I have a little tiny bowl of water right here. So I'm just going to dip it in. And let's see, that's 1 scoop of water. Now just a half. That's too much. Okay, there we go. That's a half. And is that just a little more?
And can I mix it?
You can mix it, Shannon. Take
Look
your
at our little mixing spoon.
Teeny tiny mixing spoon.
It has the little campfire thing on the top. Okay, so we're going to mix it up. It looks like it could use more water, but I'll keep mixing. I'm sure it's supposed to not be real runny,
Yeah,
because it's going to be a cracker.
Right.
Okay, what do we do next?
Okay, once you mix that up, you take that and you put it into this little baking mold here and flatten it.
Each one or just one?
Each one. That mixture there should be enough to
make 4 of these little things?
And you can flatten them with your spoon to like squish them down.
Let's see, our graham cracker mix is sticking to our spoon.
Uh-oh.
It's a hazard of making graham crackers.
Yeah, it is.
Sometimes it happens.
Yep.
These look yummy.
They smell really good.
They do smell good. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm going to smash them all down, and then do we have to cook them?
We do have to cook them, but we also have to mix up our chocolate and our marshmallow.
Okay.
All right, so you smash that. I'm going to run down. I'm going to cook those.
Okay, let's add some water to our chocolate and marshmallow sauce and get to mixing.
That chocolate looks good. Smells good, too.
Ooh, it's really chocolatey.
It is. Ooh, the marshmallow is a lot thicker. It's creamier.
Oh, yeah. I like the consistency of that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's fill up our s'mores maker.
Okay. Okay, I think we're ready to make a s'more. So I have my graham cracker
Look how cute it is.
on the little shovel.
A shovel, that's your paddle.
Your little paddle.
Your s'more
So you slide it in. And
oh, it lit up.
It lit up. I hope you guys can see that under our lights.
It's flickering.
It is.
Yeah. Let's, here. Look at it flicker. That's so cool. Here, we can leave the lights off. You guys can see what's going on.
Okay, so let's see. What do you do first? Chocolate or s'more? Chocolate or marshmallow first?
I would think chocolate first.
Chocolate first.
Okay, ready? Oh, I see the chocolate coming out.
Whoa, that's so neat. Okay, a little bit of marshmallow dripped out with it. There's some marshmallow. Okay, that's good. That's enough. Okay. So here's our s'more out. And you take your little other cracker half and smash it down like that.
You made a s'more.
I made a s'more.
How do you make a s'more?
Okay.
Okay.
So let me take this off, and I'm going to set this to the side, and then I'll get you a s'more.
Okay. I need a graham cracker, please.
Okay. Here's a graham cracker.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There you go.
There's my little graham cracker.
All right.
Okay, so you slide it in here. Mm-hmm. And it lights up. That's so awesome. I'm going to go marshmallow first.
Okay.
Here comes my marshmallow.
Whoa, a little bit of chocolate's coming out too.
Oh, yeah. Let's add some more.
Ooh, there it comes. Look at all that.
That looks so yummy.
That
okay,
does.
let's wait for it to finish dripping. Wow, look at how pretty that is.
How pretty that is and how easy that is.
Okay.
Take that and you just put it on.
Look how cute. Another little s'more. Let's see. That side shows more of our marshmallow. Yummy. Okay, take a bite. See what it tastes like. Oh, should we turn our lights back on?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you guys ready?
I'm ready. It's teeny tiny.
It is teeny tiny. Okay, Paul's going to be the taste tester. Oh, look. Okay, so if he just holds it over in front of the camera, I'll tell you about it. The chocolate and marshmallow is kind of dripping out, but it looks nice and gooey and yummy.
It does, and I will tell you, I've tasted the ingredients by themselves, and they were okay, but all together, they actually taste really good.
Okay, well, good.
Now, something else that I wanted to bring up, while I was cooking the graham cracker in the microwave, I realized this little dispenser is really nice for marshmallow and chocolate topping, and you could actually, if you didn't want to cook your own graham crackers, you could just use regular graham crackers.
Yep, anything that would fit on this little paddle would be fine. Oh, you could use, oh yeah, lots of fun stuff.
Yep.
So that's pretty cute. I like the way that lights up.
I do too.
Okay, so that was the Yummy Nummies S'more Maker playset, and now we have a double s'more. It's double delicious.
Yes.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like Yummy Nummies, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up.
One gooey thumbs up. Look,
yeah.
it's chocolate covered.
Let's put some marshmallow on your thumb too. Get some marshmallow. There you go.
One gooey thumbs up.
One gooey thumbs up. And that way we know you want to see more Yummy Nummies, and the Yummy Nummy Company knows that you love them too. Yep. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
See you later.